All night there was a heavy rain. I woke up several times at night. It was heavy drops. So it's good. Yesterday we didn't start. A little bit I cleaned my tent. There was a lot of bog on it, and then a little bit of dust. And then I already geared up. I packed already almost everything. Weather looks decent, a little bit cloudy. I think 25 Celsius. Hopefully no rain. And soon we're ready to go. We got 15 kilometers. Should be done in 5 hours. So we get started. Originally I will go this way, this road, but I just find it there was a sign they're doing some deer hunting, so the road is being closed, so I even need to turn around, adding some extra kilometers. The first point I have to go, this one is 1.7 kilometer. There are some bridge over the river. And then after that I expect to get this off-road. This off-road here all the way up until this cafe, and then actually there should be already Isari River. So it takes about 4 hours, 5 hours to get there. But first I really wish to get here to this point. It takes me 1 hour, and then I'm freaking heavy actually. I got tired. Even I'm just 30 minutes in. Let's see how we can go. Well, plan get changed. That will be my road over there, taking about 500 meters, and then I will get on the off-road toward the Isari River, but I cannot enter here, so I have to continue this way towards, and then I change the plan. So if I go that way I will be here somewhere in the river here. But instead I have to go down. There is some waterfall, and then I'm going to Sapporo this way. I cannot go straight. Adding some extra, I don't know how much. The waterfall from here is about 3 hours, 12 kilometers. And from there Sapporo takes like, I don't know, another 40 kilometers. Ooh. I cannot turn back. Even if I'm turning back to Cheetos, it takes 18 kilometers, so I decided to continue there. And then it's about 12 kilometers. I had two roads toward the Isari River. The one of them, it was closed because it's hunting deers, and this one they closed for don't know reason, for safety reason. People not allowed to play around the river or something. It's written here. It's giving me extra, I don't know, 45-50 kilometers towards Sapporo. That will be hard. I'm not turning back. I'm going to the waterfall. At least we check this out, and then from there, I don't know, I make a new plan. I cannot see even on the map anything. How is possible? There is also some highway. Anyway, let's go to the waterfall. 12 kilometers, 3 hours, 4 hours. I don't know if I'm able. 700 milliliter coffee. I think we will consume that. Yesterday these two fisher person who takes me to the convenience store, they takes me to the subway station by car so I can go Sapporo. I told them, but this is my journey. I want to walk to Sapporo through mountains, checking different locations. But now I have consideration. Well, we got here. This is the off-road towards the waterfall. From here we got like 8.5 kilometers, about 2 hours. Probably it will take me about 3 hours because I'm heavy. And then actually they say no hunting in the forest, no firing. So it's mean for me I will be safe, nobody is shooting around me. And then I get only the side sign like vehicles is prohibited from here. So actually it's not written here I cannot enter. And then no parking from the forest road gate. So might be good to enter here. 8 kilometers. Also we get alarm for bears, so it's really loud. If bear is approaching me, I will use that and then probably we can scare him away. But actually I feel it's not a deal. The bears here, they are black bears. I don't know how they're dangerous, but anyway, I just believe I can deal with them. I mean, I can be really calm, and then you shouldn't run away from bear if you meet over them. Just stay calm and make some loud sound if they coming closer, or you just stay in your position. Most likely they will not attack you. And then of course you have to cover your food. They shouldn't smell if you have food on you. And then just be calm, and then that's all you can do. And then there is a phone number. If a dangerous situation happens with bear, you can call the service and then they probably try to get you as soon as possible. So if you're going to the nature and then go remote, you always should keep your location on the map to give them if you're in trouble. Deer. We are in. Looks beautiful. There are some very small stream down there. There is beautiful water. I don't want to get down there because the vegetation looks too steep and I have no protection on my legs. I have music turned on lightly, not too loud, but make sure to not surprise each other with these guys if coming to way. The forest looks beautiful. It looks very open forest. The vegetation is not high, not grassy. Oh, but we're getting heavy. I realize myself always this 7-8 kilometer is my limit when I'm getting actually tired. Actually just my back, but somehow we will get there. We will get there. and just find this beauty here. It's not yet a waterfall where I'm going, but it looks good, beautiful. I might take a little bit break here, but not too long. We must arrive there before dark. This is the place again. Nice. I'm gonna put wet shoes on. Let's get into this water a little bit. Before that, I'm taking some snack. Halfway in, 15 kilometers, and then we left about 7k or so, so kinda halfway. Water is freaking cold. I think it's no more than 10 or 13 Celsius. Cool. And I already saw a couple deer. They are actually not that afraid. I mean, of course they goes away, but the deer was running away from me like 10 meters, and he just stopped and turned back. They have some curiosity. Normally, deers are really afraid. They are really scared, and they just run away for far. But he will stop and check me out. Maybe he liked the music I'm listening. Ooh. I don't recommend you walk with 30 kilos on you. About 15 kilometers. It's just crazy. There are two more. They are baby deers. I'm trying to catch up them. There they are. They're eating. Probably they will recognize me after a few meters and then they just run away. But it's good to see them. Hello. Hello there. Good babies. There are mommy too. Mom has arrived. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're scared. I'm sorry, buddy.
A sneak 30-minute peek of the LP. Last but not least, we'll have all the news from you, our Anjuna family. Let's get into the music now with this, the Rinzen remix of Lane 8 Higher.
Literally, I have to stop every single kilometer. We get elevation going up here. It's beautiful, sunny though. It's 4 p.m. No, sorry, 5 p.m. Google Maps says we left 1 hour, exactly 4 kilometers. I'm sure I cannot be there in 1 hour, but maybe 2 or 2.5. So it's supposed to be 7:30. It started getting a bit dark, but until 8 p.m. might I can set up camp, and 8 p.m. is already dark. So yeah, this is a plan. But if I have to stop every kilometers, anyway, keep going. Oh, just over there. So it shows me 3.7 kilometer, 53 minutes. We have to go that way, and then it looks like the road is continues just straight. So it should be easy. I mean, yeah, no elevation. Whew, my body condition is getting hard, but we can make it. Google say 53 minutes. I expect it's always a double, so probably in 2 hours should be there. Sun is going down slowly, so we get short. I actually have to hurry. I don't want to get there in darkness because I don't know what kind of soil there. Maybe it's rocky or something. I have headlamp, but I need to set up camp, and then yeah, it's better if we get some daylight. We'll see, but I cannot push any more harder. We made it with 2 small potato chips and 1 liter of black coffee. Tomorrow probably I will sleep until noon, might all day long. I don't know. Anyway, keep that way, and then let's get there. Shichijo Waterfall. That course, Shichijo Waterfall. Should be nice. Not what I expected though. They lie a lot of stone on this road. This is really hard to walk on it. They are so sharp. My feet get hurt. My steps is short like a chicken. Like chicken steps. Oh, it will be hard like this. I made again about 500 meters and I have to take a break. according to the map, we get like a 290 meter, approximately 300 meters, and we get there. I'm following this road still, and I can see there something like a sign. I don't know what is this, but there should be an U-turn, and then actually we are there. 300 meters. Sun is down, but not dark yet. Might I get there with some sunlight or daylight? It will be not completely dark. Some clouds is coming. Oh, there are some mountain. Beautiful. Whew. It's really heavy. It's really hard. The last 6 kilometers was struggling. I mean, I keep going. This road I was coming, which is these stone layers, or kind of stone basalt layer. My feet are hurt. It's not a good idea to walking in wet shoes. The stones was so sharp. I completely feel like I'm walking like barefoot. My feet really hurt. Actually, I checked my body condition. A little bit hurt my back. Not too dangerous. I mean, I can recover in 1 hour maybe for today. Tomorrow it will be sore. It's really sore probably. I don't know how to wake up. Will be really tired. I can move. I feel myself well. But when I put the backpack on, it's just pulling my shoulders and then pushing the pain into here around my neck and then the back side. It's really hard to walking. I'm seriously taking so small steps. I'm heading so slow. But we will get there. 300 meters. Actually makes me nervous. I mean, one side I'm really happy we get there. It's 15 kilometers with 35 kilos through forest, through everything. So if I count, like, I spent 1 hour beside this small valley or waterfall, whatever it was. It takes me today 7 hours because I start exactly noon, and we will get there most likely 8 p.m. So 1 hour minus 7 hours. I made 15 kilometers, but the problem is, for my mind, Sapporo is about 58 kilometers from the waterfall. So let's do the math. I have to do the exact same days 4 times. 4 times 15 kilometers again. I don't want even thinking about right now. I just have to thinking about right now. Let's be thinking the positive side. Almost get there. Probably I need a break. I'm not able to set up camp. I'm really tired. Probably will eat some banana and then just walking around without backpack, looking around, refresh my mind, get some water, and then after that, maybe an hour later, set up camp. Just put the tent on, put the sleeping bag, get all my stuff inside it, and then probably we're done. I'm not sure I can sleep because my body is still working. So I need 2 or 3 hours to calm down. I was pushing today, but we are here. The birds, it was amazing. I'm not complaining at all. The weather, it was perfect. Just I cannot expect any better. It's not too hot. It's not cold. It's about 33, 35 Celsius. And then even it's predicted some thunderstorm for 3 hours, but luckily nothing happened, no rain. It was just exactly the right weather for today. But for next week it shows rain and thunders for 3 days. Probably I will going on the way. I don't really care the rain. The problem is I don't know on the way to go what kind of location we have, because I must charging my stuff, and then I have solar panels on me, but if we get rain and cloudy days it's just useless. Anyway, don't thinking further, let's get this backpack on for the last time for today, and then should make it in maximum 20 or 30 minutes. I will see you then at there. Get the U-turn, and then maybe from there I have to keep left, right. I cannot even talk. My mind is not working. I have to turn right there. Oh. Forest getting dark. Oh. What a trees though. I could come from this way here, but it then I have to walk towards or beside the main roads, and then there is a lot of cars and I just don't want it. And then also that way it takes like maybe about 40 minutes longer, so I was the best choice for today. And then that's the reason I'm here, because I want to see nature, I want to see this forest, I want to see the vegetation, beautiful animals, a lot of deer. I was meet them. I'm so sorry for them to make them scared, and they had to run away. They get surprised about me, but I believe they will not complain. Some of them actually seems to be so curious. They looks like run away, but some suddenly they just stop and then they looking back and checking what is going on. Yeah, so that way should be down there. We need a light, make sure nothing is moving on the road, but it looks for me it's pretty nice. It's not a high vegetation here. It should be there. Whew, alright. Sleeping bag is in. I'm going for my second backpack. It's over there. And then we good for tonight. Maybe I'm eating some dinner, banana and something relaxing, and then probably we are going into this luxury. Wow, what a day! Is 9 p.m. I think. Yeah, 8:40. Yeah, probably about 9:30. I'm already getting the bed, and then I'm looking toward tomorrow. The smell of this banana is so strong. I hope the bears cannot smell it. Oh, that's crazy. The stars are beautiful. Good morning. 9 a.m. It's better than I expected actually. I thought I cannot wake up. I was woke up already about 6 in the morning, just looking around a few minutes, and I get back sleep. But actually my body condition feels now not too bad. And then this is a beautiful sunny day though, but not too hot, about 20, 23 Celsius. In the day will be 25. I put my solar panels over there, charging my stuff. I hope today we get sunshine all day long, so I able to charge all my stuff. Of course, morning coffee, and then soon I jump in the wetsuit, and then let's go to see the waterfall. We're getting short on coffee. Oh, that's a problem. Beautiful. Probably I lose the weight. The wetsuit coming up so easily. Alright. We have the day pack headlamp, the coffee, the bear alarm. So I think we're ready to go. Let's see this beautiful waterfall. There she goes. I'm a little bit nervous about this vegetation here. Which way I should go? I have two ways. There and there. I think I'm choose this one. Step in water. Must be cold. Yes, it's a little bit cold, but not dangerous. Look at this. Phew. Beautiful. Oh man, let's take a shower. Look at the log jam here. It's a pretty messy. Somehow I gonna go through. Wow. What a mess here. Anyway, somehow we should manage. Maybe I get off here a little bit. Oh. Really have to watch every single step. Alright, we're good. And then I can continue there. I walk from the waterfall about 1 kilometer maybe, and then I'm gonna continue just for a while, a little bit, just look around what kind of vegetation and what kind of soil over there, and then I turn back to the camp. Get a beautiful sunny day though. It's very nice. I'm very lucky today to be here. I'm not cold in the water. We get sunshine, so everything is perfect. What is this? I found the whiskey bottle. Suntory whiskey, product of Japan. Liquor bottle, Japan. Look at this. Oh my. There is a date. What? 1,800. Dude. $1,899. It's a 126-year-old. 1,800. I see it right. It's not a 9. Yeah, no mistake. 1,899. Man. What? The blend of the choice whiskies. Suntory whiskey, product of Japan. 1,899. 126-year-old. What? Imagine. I don't see this place I'm walking now. I'm about 2-3 kilometers from the waterfall. I'm not saying I'm the only one who has been on this place, but definitely just a few. There's definitely not too much people was coming here. But somebody was drinking this whiskey somewhere on this. I'm not saying right here because water cooled carry from distance, but yeah, somebody drink this whiskey somewhere here. What the heck? Cheers. spent 4 or 5 hours in this water. This is 2:30 now, so I went down about 10 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 4 hour and 30 minutes. Beautiful place, beautiful areas. And it's touching me actually. Not only the waterfall, but walking away from the waterfall about 2-3 kilometers, and then walking on the place where there are probably not so many people, and who knows how long ago actually someone might be there. It's really remote. I'm grateful to be here. You know, when you go out to the nature, it's everywhere just almost the same. Everywhere forest, rivers, grass. But that place takes me 12,000 kilometers of fly and about 45 kilometers walking. And then about 1 year of preparation to get my gears, get the right gears, wetsuit, and a lot of tons of things to make everything possible to stay in a wilderness, stay in the nature. And then I just came out from this water like 5 minutes ago. But you know, it's probably just once in the lifetime, this place. I don't know if something ever brings me here back, but there is a high chance. It's once in the lifetime, and that's why it's a special thing. The waterfall beautiful, the place is beautiful. Today we get a perfect day, sunny. It's getting actually warm. I can charge my stuff through the solar panels. So yeah, I think I deserve some food. I'm hungry. So yeah, this cover is a Shichijo Waterfall. Shichijo Waterfall, Hokkaido, Japan. It's between Sapporo and Chitos. So if you get an option, if you ever coming to Hokkaido, I recommend to check this out. It's beautiful. Let's get some food. We got bolognese spaghetti and bread for extra energy. It's almost boiled in my tent. It was in my backpack, but yeah, there's nothing problem with that. It's beautiful. It's tasty, delicious. Some piece for the ants. Yeah. Mm.